Every time you close a standard LLM chat window, the system resets. Everything it learned about your workflow dissolves. This forces engineers to spend the first 10 minutes of every new session re-uploading system prompts, explaining project conventions, and defining the current state of their codebase. Standard LLM APIs are architecturally stateless. They rely on a rolling context window that drops the oldest information as new data arrives, rather than utilizing permanent local storage. Moving toward a stateful operating environment requires an agent that can read and write to a local disk, independent of a specific browser session. Without localized persistent memory, engineers are working with a system that forgets. Every single day, you spend compute and time just to reach the exact same level of context you had 24 hours earlier. Hermes Agent and its WebUI operate as a self-hosted, localized compute engine. With over 12,500 stars on GitHub, the system is designed for execution on your own infrastructure. The project adheres to a zero-build engineering constraint. It bypasses modern front-end bundling entirely, running exclusively on pure Python and vanilla JavaScript. Eliminating the build step removes the need for complex dependency management, making the tool immediately deployable on any local server. This comparison shows the difference in flow. On the right, the Hermes architecture routes the LLM API output into a permanent local database and a background scheduler, creating a continuous feedback loop. This specific arrangement of components allows the LLM to function as a learning autonomous system that preserves data across time. Persistent state begins in Hermes Home, writing user profiles and session tags to the host file system. It saves reusable Python procedures as skills for future sessions. Finally, an SQLite CLI Session Bridge synchronizes a unified session object between the terminal and browser. This ensures that conversations started in the command line appear in the WebUI sidebar with their full history and tool metadata preserved. Because state is treated as a local file system problem, your project context is stored on your own hardware, remaining private to your environment. Storing state in an SQLite-backed file system makes your work context accessible across any interface you connect to the host. Browser-based AI agents generally halt the moment you close the active tab. Hermes decouples execution from the UI. A self-hosted cron scheduler triggers Python scripts based on a clock, even while the browser is inactive. Offline, the agent executes code or compiles reports. Upon completion, these cron jobs route results to external messaging platforms. Localized scheduling offers a control advantage over cloud-managed services. You determine the execution environment and the timing of every task on your own host. True asynchronous autonomy enables the AI environment to function as an independent background worker, delivering results whenever tasks are completed. Hermes uses orchestration to handle complex objectives, spawning specialized subagents like Codex or Claude Code for specific technical tasks. The WebUI represents these activities through indented delegation cards, providing a clear visual audit of what the subagent is processing. Findings from these subagents are eventually routed back into the primary Hermes persistent memory pool. Managing this in Docker requires navigating execution boundaries. Commands originating in a WebUI container cannot naturally penetrate the isolated file system of a separate agent container. Solving this requires either a single container deployment or the configuration of precise bind mount volumes to share directories between the two containers. Orchestrating specialized subagents allows the system to tackle segmented tasks in parallel, provided the host file system permits the necessary communication across containers. The front-end architecture intentionally omits JavaScript frameworks like React or Vue, avoiding the complexity of a build pipeline. The file tree shows a clear separation: a Python standard library server in the API folder and pure vanilla JS in the static folder. There is no package.json or node modules directory. Hermes uses the server-sent events protocol to stream live tokens. Data chunks are pushed directly from the Python server to the raw HTML DOM. As token data arrives, this stream smoothly updates UI elements like the circular context rings fill percentage. For continuous tuck streaming, Hermes utilizes request animation frame throttling in vanilla JS, which manages high-frequency UI updates without the overhead of a virtual DOM. By discarding modern JavaScript tooling, the system achieves stable rendering speeds and remains easy to host on local hardware with zero dependency friction. Think of this architecture as hardware. The LLM API is a swappable CPU, the SQLite file system is the hard drive, and Python is the motherboard. You can swap providers, like OpenAI or Anthropic, while your persistent memory remains completely untouched. The system does have a specific platform limitation. It relies heavily on POSIX pathing and native bash tool execution. Native Windows environments often encounter path resolution errors, so engineers achieve the most stable memory management by deploying via WSL2. This engineering approach marks a shift toward localized, stateful environments that prioritize the long-term accumulation of context. If this saved you time, hit subscribe. We review tools like this every week, so you're always ahead. Now, if you liked AI autonomous agents, you're going to love our breakdown of AutoGPT. Setting up local memory layers and background tasks requires initial configuration, but the result removes the friction of daily context reconstruction. Keep experimenting with your local environments, and I'll see you in the next breakdown.